Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn something very easy and simple, how to make a cargo pocket. This is applicable for both male and female trousers. So this is the one I made for my son. So I'm going to teach you the simplest way to achieve this. So if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video and let's dive straight into the tutorial of the day. So while joining your trousers, this is the point you join your trousers to before you determine where you place your cargo pockets. I'm trying out different inches ranging from 4 inches to 5 inches to get the best look. So I decided that 5 inches would do for now. Next, I'm going to measure the pocket size. So the length is going to be 6 inches while the width will be 6 inches as well. So you can use something bigger, especially if you are sewing for an adult. So I'm folding it into 2 and I'm going to mark 1 inch in like so. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. 1 inch in. Next, I'll fold it in like so. And I'm going to use my pressing iron to give it a good press. So this is the result. Next, I'm going to sew it where the pressing line appeared. So this is the result of that. Next, I'm going to open it up like so. Then I'm going to insert a hemming gum to help it stay well. Very quickly. Then I'm going to give it a good press. So this is the result of that. The pocket is taking shape already. Next, I took about 1.5 inches for folding, 1.5 inches for folding. Then I'm just going to fold it like so. Then I'm going to join it with a stitch. This is the result of that. Next, I'm going to fold the edges like so. Then I'm going to give it a good press. Here is the result of that. Next, I'm going to place the trouser like so. Then I'm going to mark where I want the pocket to be. Now I'm going to place the pocket exactly at the point I want it to be. Then I'm going to sew it all the way around the 3 edges. So this is the result of that. Nicely done. So remember, this is for a boy. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is the cover, the pocket cover. This is what I cut out for the pocket cover. So you're going to measure the size of the pocket. Now the pocket mouth is about 3.2 inches. So you're going to take the gum size. So your gum is going to be exactly the same size, 3.2 inches. So I'm going to trim off the excess part. And the width is about 1.5 inches. So I'm going to place this on fold. Then I'm going to place the gum on it, this shiny part. Next, I'm going to give it a good press. After that, I'm going to mark about 1/2 inch, like so. Then I'm going to trim off the excess parts. So I'm going to stitch exactly at the part where the gum ended, the two sides of the fabric. I'm done stitching it and I'm going to trim off the excess parts. So when that is done, you're just going to unfold it like this. Then you can use any iron to make sure that everything is properly set. You can also use your scissors to do this. After that, I ironed it, then I placed it at the top of the pocket. This is how it's going to look like. So I wanted to know the side that would come out better. So when I was done with that, I just went ahead to my sewing machine and stitched it like so. After that, I did a top stitch at the top of it to help it lap properly. Then this is the result of that, guys. Is this not looking very nice? And the process is so simple. This is so cute. This is so cute. So guys, give this video a thumbs up if you grabbed one or two things from it, and I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we'll continue this friendship. Yes. All right guys, this is the whole result. I stitched fancy buttons on it and it came out looking so nice. You can also create buttonholes before fixing the buttons, and voila, this is how it looks like. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. I remain Queen the Creative. Watch out for the next tutorial. Bye for now.